Yo, what up, Donald? What up? What up? Straight up don't. Straight up don't. No trading. That's probably a good idea. I said I would do this thing that we talked about yesterday, so that's what this is. And we'll see what happens. Rolling the dice. Free longs, baby. They haven't been very free today. Yeah, I am this is what we were talking about yesterday with the you just keep DCAing, and I said I would do it. I tweaked. I didn't really follow. I didn't really follow everything. Yo, I meant to ask you, D. Are you watching the stream on Twitter, or are you on YouTube? You're on Twitter. It's so interesting. Um, I got to see what it looks like on Twitter. I've never been on Twitter and watched it. I'm actually going to go there right now. Let me check it out. Let me see what's going on. Going for it. All right. How do you I don't see how you type in the chat though. How are you typing in the chat on Twitter? Oh, I see. Oh, live chat. Oh, but you only see when you're on Twitter, you only see who's typing on Twitter. You don't see anybody on YouTube at all. I just realized that you don't see everybody else that's typing the whole time. That's interesting. Ah, yeah, because sometimes there's like 50 or 60 people in here. Yeah, because, well, sometimes there's like 50 or 60 echo. Like here, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Like there's a whole chat going on. Yeah, good thing you sold the call options, man. In for a rough day. Why'd the market dump today? I don't really know. I know that there was news at 10. Um, oh, it was inflation data. Awesome day to do this thing that you guys wanted to try. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah, D, that's hysterical because I thought you were watching the whole stream all day. Yeah, there's there's like you don't even have to be subscribed. You can just here. I'm gonna put the link in. I'm just gonna comment on the post and just do the YouTube link if you want to watch the comments. I just realized that, man. They going on the V this, dude. If they V this, woo, baby. If they V recover this thing, Cove Concepts is alive and strong then. Well, she shit the bed. Yo, that's so funny because D was on Twitter and people were talking to him in the chat the other day and he couldn't even see it. I wonder if there's a way to combine it all. I didn't expect it to dump today. I thought it was going to be rangy. I thought it was going to be super rangy today. I will say I'd like to get out of 3 up here to just kind of reduce my position and lock in a little gains off that position. Honestly, though, if we hit 93, if we just V this and then break over here to the upside, I mean, we're probably going to get a nice pop. Yo, Moolah, what up? Come on. Push it. Who all buying accounts today? Yo, Damon, what up? What up? What up? I'm guessing you. Oh yeah, you're the same. Yep, you're D on Twitter. What up, man? Yeah. Am I playing conservative today? I don't know, man. I'm up. I traded my live account today. I'm up $202 in my live account. So right there was nice. Oh, this would be such a rejection point. I just want it. I want more. I should take over 80. If we get over 86, if we get over 86, this thing's gonna fly. Yo, what up, Sean? I was gonna sell 3 of these right here, but I didn't. I didn't. Do we think it's bottomed out? If we break over 86, this would be the bottom. I am thinking. I'm thinking we might pull back here and then shoot. If you get in, your stop would have to be low a day. And that's a pretty big it's a pretty big stop. I already passed my not passed, but Tradeify is done for the day. I did $123 in it. I'm done. I think the most I could do is 200, so I'm not gonna 200 or 250. I don't even want to deal with it. I just want to be. I'm done. How many contracts or minis do I trade on my live? I normally trade 5 micros. Today I traded less, but I held for a bigger move. I think I traded 2 and then I added another 2, so I was in 4 micros and I was playing it short. This would be a nice inverted head and shoulders if we break over 86, 87 area. Come on. What line is that? BWAP? What line are we talking about? This green line? That's the 34. How much drawdown on the live? I don't have that much money in the account. I just threw in. I don't know if I'm going to stay with Ant. I think I threw in like $2,000 and I'm up 500 and I threw in like $2,000 and I'm up to 532. This green line is the 34 EMA. Needs to get over. Yeah. I think this, I'll be honest with you, this kind of seems like it's the beginning of a kind of seems like it's the beginning of another market drawdown. I would assume we're probably going to double bottom. We'll probably test the lows here, maybe double bottom and then shoot through, which would be freaking awesome. What up, Ivan? Got Racer up in here. That's the line in the sand, though. You want to get over 87. Either we rip from here or a double bottom rip would be nice. I mean, either way. But that's, to me, a trend change would happen at that point. Well, this thing looks weak. Oh, they just algoed that shit right down. Look at that. Oh, baby. I'm just going to take that. They just algoed that. I'm wondering if they bounce it right here. You know, now you're making a higher low. The line is still over 86. We get over 86, it would signify a trend change. Until then, there's no real reason to go long. I thought we were going to break out of this flag right here to the, to the up, but I would say that that's what I'd be looking for. 10:50 a.m. What's that? That's 10:50 right now. What's going on now? Is there some type of news? Yo, I'm entering myself in today. Sean, how did it go? Brother, how do you think the first day of doing anything goes? You guys got me to do it. Now we're sitting here. It was just down to $600 and something, and I was going to take it at the 34. I was going to take 3 off, and I didn't. I was going to take 3 off and rebuy the 3 at 50. I didn't listen to my gut, but here we are. Cove Concepts, baby. I modified it, by the way. I went against all the rules too. Depending on what happens today, I will try it again here. I'll try it again another time. Like I'll try it on, I don't know, Monday or something probably. I did not purchase how I should have. I should have purchased 1, 2, 3, 4, and I did not. I went off the degenerate bandwagon. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, I mean, everything that we talked about yesterday, I went against. Like instead of adding 1, and then you add 2 more, and then you add 3, I added 2, 2, 3, another 3. Like I should have worked up. So it didn't really work out well. Yo, the degenerate bandwagon. Yeah. I am I'm probably gonna retest out this and do it the right way. Oh man, my eyes. I would like to see a pop. I just don't know if we're going to get it. I mean, in theory, if this is the low and we go over, I can see us trading back up to 850 or something like that. Oh man, that's not a good look. That's not a good look. That looks like we're going to the downside. Not even gonna lie. This thing's gonna flush out. I think I'm stopped out. Yeah, I'm stopped out. What up, William? Come on, can we go back over 57 here? Kind of turn things around? Or are they just gonna looking for the old dump and do? That would be the first thing. Get over 50, get over here. I don't know if it's going to. Like if you were going to short right here, you would just stop out at 57. I'm not saying that's the move. I'm just saying, same thing. If you're going to go long here, I would probably stop out down here. Oh, baby. Come on. Pump it. Looks like it wants to. It's like the little engine that could. Come on. Get over the 34. Start working your little ass back up here. Maybe back up to VWAP, the VWAP. Come on. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's the hourly opening range. This blue line and the green is the 34. Oh baby. Come on. Anybody hit anything? Watch us just chop here for the rest of the day. Kind of what we thought would happen earlier. just happened right now. Let's see what the ES is doing. Somebody told me the YM is making new highs. Is that true? Anybody looking at YM by any chance? This looks fucking bad. Let's see it just let's see it just get demolished. It's just one bear flag, I guess. If you can't break above here, this is just a bear flag. That's all it seems like to me. Come on. I mean, here's the trend line. If it breaks this line, you're going to see an algo. Watch, you're going to see just an algo just freaking drop it like it's hot. You want to go for 650? Yo, what up, bangin'? What up, what up? Oh, baby. Dude, who took that? Who took that in the chat? Bro, that was a fucking clean setup. I told you, once we broke that trend line, it was done. I just added because I would have added it right down there. So see what happens. Cove Concepts. Dude, you got out like 2 seconds before, Sean? Sean, what are we doing? Dude, that was like 40 points, man. That was like 40 points. They might take this back up to the trend line, back up to like 37 or whatever. Dude, that was as clean as you're gonna get it. That was like, you know, you got the bounce, and then you get a smaller bounce. You got the trend, and then once you break the trend, that was it. I mean, that was freaking clean. Clean. I'm I'm trying to think. What do I need a lot more money in that account. Dumps, massive dumps. They call them dumps. I wonder if they bounce it. Man, I am so happy that I covered my ASML puts. I would be not happy right now. Everything that was telling me to cover that was right. I mean, every time it comes up to 34, it just rejects. Yeah, I'm not looking to short really anymore. Like unless I get a setup like this, like that was an A+ setup right there. I wouldn't look to probably short. Oh, what are you getting close to 6,000? Yeah, I mean, I'm not looking to short down here. That it was just more of I would love to see them bounce it back up to the pivot point. 823, give us like 100-point bounce from here. Oh, come on. Tag me out. Jeez. What? All right. Those were the ones that I bought down here. So I got a little bit of a gains on that. Let's see if I can just work out of this position. Yeah, I mean, that knob, I mean, that's part of my thinking was we're going to come back just based on I'm on the wrong channel. What'd you say? What'd you say, Corey? I didn't even see it. What up? Yo, what up, Lusa? But the idea of the thing we were talking about yesterday was to just kind of recycle the oh. We're using one of your other screen names, Corey, that you submit. You got 5 channels. I am here. Yo, Corey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Corey's on the list now. Bro, I didn't even see the family channel. Did you delete the comment, I guess? I guess you deleted the comment because I don't see it. I don't see it anywhere. I'm just looking. Yeah, you must have deleted it. Don't worry, I'm going to go back and look. Are markets open? Yeah, bro. We're down 1.23%. We're moving. We're making billions and billions and billions and billions. I'm trying to think where I have to go to be to break even on. Yeah, they're open tomorrow. It's going to be probably just Algo City, but it is open. It's open till I think 1. Ah, what? I'm trying to think. So I got 200 a pop. 6, 8. Actually, my break even is like 800, I guess. 800 to break even. I wonder if we're going to go back up there. Oh, man. Dude. I mean, you just had to go short and just hold it. You know what's crazy is I was short in my live account, and I wish I just held it. I had 4 micros. And I covered at I think I covered around 874. I mean, I would have freaking banked. Ah, that's the worst. I mean, they just dumping this thing. You would think that they would bounce it at some point pretty decently to the up. Yo, I need Trump to tweet out, "Just kidding about the tariffs, LOL," with a winky smile face. That's what I need. Or Trump to say he's going to take the markets to new highs. That'd be cool. Anybody see Kane's tweet last night? Kane went in with 20 minis short at pretty much the high of the overnight, and then just fucking, I don't even know what he's up. He's probably up 6 figures at this point. Come on, take me out of these. Take me out of these contracts. Just grab it. It's like right there. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, jeez. I need a real freaking push though. Like playing around right here is not helping the cause on Cove Concepts. We need a push over the 34 here. Oh, this is Tradeify. I'm already up for the day. I'm done. That's day 2. I think I need to get to 1500 is what I need to get to. The 20% consistency rule is like, it's freaking, I don't want to say stupid, but like I think I made one trade today. I made $123, and I'm like, all right, like if I make another trade and go over the consistency rule, I got to make more money. So might as well just stop. Oh, I would love to see us get over. Actually, at this point, over 41. Over 41 kind of gives us a trend change. That would be a higher high. We get over here. We get over the 34, over this previous high, and it's something to build off of to start going north a little bit. Do I think we're going to close green? No, but it would be pretty cool to come up to like 840. Imagine they brought this all the way back up to 950. That would be absurd if they just bought this thing all the way back up and was just like, fuck your shorts. I have no reason to really be long where we are. It's not like I guess you'd flip this gap at 741. 741 kind of flips the gap. Couple areas. I mean, we start trading back into the 60s and 70s. I'd probably say we would hit this pivot point at 824. You know, that would give me conviction. If we started trading up here, we'd probably continue at least to this pivot point. I just took a two micro short. I'm looking to hold though for 60 points to the downside. I'm looking to hold to 653, or I'm stopping out at 36. So I'm stopping out at 36, which would be kind of like a break over here, or I'm holding down to the pivot point in my live account. That's kind of where I see this going. It's either we're going to break over and we're going to continue up, or we're going to roll the fuck over to the bottom pivot point. Either way, I'm perfectly fine with. Just, you know, you got to play what's given to you. Have you guys ever used EMA clouds by any chance? Anybody in here? EMA clouds are super interesting on, I don't know what to, I've never really ran with it, but to save time, I did an EMA cloud. And basically the idea is, I guess, when it crosses, it creates the cloud and you just kind of ride it. If we break this low, I'll add two more. I don't know. Interesting concept, the cloud. Dude, what coins you buy? Did you buy the one where the guy shit on the toilet bowl for 8 hours? Is that one? Were you in shitcoin? What coin were you in? Yo, and everybody thanks Sleeper for letting us know about the meme coin before he turned $20 into $1,000. Guy didn't let any of us know. Oh, who needs enemies, bro, when we got friends like Sleeper? Oh, but seriously, man, what'd you do? That's awesome. Seriously. What'd you I don't even know how to buy them. It's called the Rizmas. Bro, how would you even know to buy that? How would you even know to buy a Rizma? I actually don't even. Did you buy it on Pump Fund? Did you buy it on? How'd you buy that thing? Well, we just flipped this. You can see it on my screen. We just flipped it green. We get over this 34 in this area. I would say it's a clean to 50s. Is it going to be able to clear it or no? Ah, dude, that's how much I know. I know nothing, as Kramer says. This actually looks pretty good now. We get over here. Couldn't even draw the line. I'm just trying to draw the line, man. It's so stupid. Why can't I draw a line? Bro, why is this line thing right in my fucking view? Why would I want this line to be? Oh, jeez. If you look, we kind of broke out right here. I'm curious if. What up, F1? Can't get over the 34, man. Can't get over it. I have a feeling they push it, though. I have a weird feeling they push it. Just kind of feels like it. I'm waiting. Arisma. Arismas. Oh, like Christmas? Dude. I would only buy the one where the guy was shitting for 5 hours. Gotta hold. Actually, I don't. Actually, I'm fucking out of this. I'm out. We're starting to roll here. I got to get more screens. Did that just take profit on me? Oh my God, stop loss. I grabbed the wrong fucking one. This doesn't look great. Doesn't look great. What we got? Let's light this thing up. Again? Are we going to do it again? I'm only going in 2 on this. Didn't quite get the push. Come on. There we go. Woo! Baby. There we go. I do not know if we're going to continue, but that was freaking nice. You want? We can do turkey later. We're going to do turkey later. We're going to pick out. We'll do 6 winners, and then the 6 winners will face off in the turkey race. Yeah, we'll do. We'll turkey. Turkey for me. Turkey for you. Yeah. Dude, that was a good freaking short, man. Are they going to finally rip this? 37 sitting there. What up, Prelum? What up? What up? So the only ones that I know about, Tradeify is 45% off. I heard Trade Day is going to do 60% off, but it's fucking expensive. It's still expensive. Like I wouldn't even, I don't know if I would use them even at 60% off. And you're only allowed 1 funded account. Other than that, I have a feeling Apex is going to run 90% off. That's what I'm guessing. I haven't heard anything from Top Step. I haven't heard anything about Take Profit Trader. You know, Take Profit Trader's deal is awesome now, so I don't know if they're going to do anything. I don't know what the deal is. Trying to think what else there is out there. I think that's all that I would probably. Oh, Tick Tick. I don't know what Tick Tick is doing. I haven't gotten an email yet, but I'm waiting. I'm waiting to load the boat. I mean, it's tomorrow, right? Tomorrow. Oh no, it's Friday. I keep thinking it's tomorrow on Thanksgiving. Yeah. So this is their regular accounts. I wouldn't do. I wouldn't do. I wouldn't do their regular accounts. This is a straight to funded account. It was $206. I made a whole video about it. There's the video. Basically, they're straight to funded. What up, Nao? What up, Moneymaker? Yeah, I mean, I typically don't do straight to funded because I can get a funded account cheaper than they can give me one just by passing evals. So in that aspect, it's not a big thing, but it was only $206, so I gave it a shot, and I'm basically just taking 1 trade a day. I got it yesterday. I'm up 272, and I'll just keep taking 1 trade a day. And that's the deal with that. I got couple take profit trader accounts, and I'm just going to sit and wait to see what the deals are. The deal should be pretty good. I'm hoping My Funded Futures does something. I hate when My Funded Futures runs a deal and they're like, oh, it's only good for one account. Like, what is that shit? One account? What am I going to do with that? One account. It's like, bro, I need it to be unlimited for me to just slam accounts till I max out the amount of funded accounts I can have. Boom, boom, boom. So is this a bull flag, bear flag, or are we getting a rounded bottom here? Like a rounded bottom, and we're just gonna go whoop. Rounded bottom or bear flag? Yo, Corey, I would say the mindset of straight to funded makes it, because you pay more money and you're not, so when you get an eval, you're obviously like rushing to pass it to get to the funded account, right? I will say when you start dealing with the straight to funded, you almost treat it like a real account, and you're not in a rush because you're already funded. So like, I could sit here and take one trade and say, fuck it, like I'm up $100 and something today. I don't need to do anymore. Yeah, I rushed the evals too. Like this, I'll just pick a spot that I like and just say, fuck it, I'm in, you know, like that. Boom, a lot more where that came from. Dude, I think we're going to continue up. It's just, I'm hanging. I didn't realize I got these. What are these at? Like, I think if you wanted to, you could probably go long and with a stop at 703. I'm probably not even going to touch this account. I think the most you can do is 4,500, and I'm already up 2,700. I might do, I might take two here and just see where it brings me. You kind of got a rounded bottom here. You're kind of breaking out. Probably have another 2 or 3 more candles of push. Kind of looks like maybe we start trending back up. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, I get the weirdest people that message me on Twitter. Boom! Come on. A lot more where that came from. Dude, that was a really good setup for a pop. That was a really good setup. I honestly think I wouldn't be surprised if we trade back around 800 or higher. It wouldn't surprise me one bit. What up, David? Watch us go to maybe the VWAP or the 200. Watch us get over 800. I don't think we're just going to go straight to the fucking moon here, but probably chop and just kind of work ourselves back up. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not adding up here, so just so you guys are like, oh, he told me it was going to 800. No, like I was grabbing some in the 30s. Now we're at 15 points higher. But I'm just saying that's my thought process of where we're going to go. Also, I think I'm even on the week. Up 9.14 today. I think 9.14. What did I lose? Like 2,500 yesterday, and I think I made 1,400. I think I'm even on the week now. It was looking nasty at one point yesterday. We were down like $3,200. Made that back. Ooh, this is looking good. Come on. I'd probably say this is the hourly opening range. I'd probably say that's going to be a target is 64. I would love to get back over, get back in, trade above 87. I'm sure the Cove Concepts account would really like us to do that as well. I'm pretty sure if we get a payout on this account, we broke every rule that there is. So it is what it is. Boom, 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 boom. I kind of like the Cove Concept account where it just keeps going all day. Kind of like I feel like I'm in the market, even though like I'm kind of not. As long as we stay above the 34, to me, it's still bullish. Stay above the 34, and you want to stay above 36. You stay above 36, stay above the 34. I think we continue to trend. I think that's that is the way. If we can consolidate here for about 5 more candles and work this down, I would probably take it in a funded account. Oh, it's looking good. Telling you, 64 is going to be that was my initial. All right, well, we got super close. 62, 62 and a half. So basically there. It's not a great candle. That's not a good candle that you want to see. I don't think it's going to break it here. Maybe staircase it up with a couple candles and then finally punch through. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, that's. Yo, Cove, you have a trade running on PA? Yeah, so yesterday we talked about doing this thing. And there was rules. I broke the rules, but the rules were we were going to DCA every 50 points down. So I did it. I said I would do it today. I don't care. I would do it. If you guys wanted to see the results, I would do it for you guys. So every 50 points, yeah, it's kind of like gridding. And then basically I flip and turn around and throw a sell up. I would say that even if this account gets blown, I'm going to give it another try. But instead of like, I bought 2, 2, 3, 3. I should have bought 1, 2, 3. So the value of when it went lower, I was buying more than the initial. And I'd probably be about break even right now. Because I would have bought, I would have bought 1, 1, and then I would have bought 2 down here, but I would have flipped and sold the 2, and then I would have rebought them. And then I would have bought 3 down here, which I would probably still be holding. And I would have bought 4 somewhere here, but I would have sold them here for a gain. And then I would have definitely bought. It would have been interesting. I don't know. Would have been interesting. Is it going to work every day? Probably not. I don't know. We were talking about it, so I did it. I mean, I'm one of those that you guys want to see it, I'll do it. This is not good. That is not good. Let's see what happens. All right, we got another $300 and something off that. 215 on one of them, and I don't know where the other one is. The other one's somewhere. The other one somewhere. Man, this is looking shit. Hey, I think we're gonna bounce right up in here probably, and then roll it. Seems like we're gonna roll over. I mean, it just doesn't. I'm just waiting. My stop loss would be 41 though. Oh, it just fucking dipped. What a shit entry because it dipped already. Let's see. Come on. Get under. Get under this candle. We can get under. Probably flush it back down to 700 land. Come on. Come on. I'm worried that we're getting closer to oversold, but I think we could have one more push. One more push. Here we go. You getting that one more push? There we go. There we go. I actually just traded that live in my account. That was a freaking awesome trade. Somebody take that. That was another setup just like this, the other one. If you guys took it.
Thank you for your vote of confidence.
Wow. I may not trade this account again, even though it's below 50. You need 5 days of $100 or more. So I might just stop just to get the days done with. So I could hammer this account in one day, get like 800, maybe not 800 bucks, but you know, bro, money over food, bro. You just missed out on 20 points. Come on, Sean, you're better than that. Yo, what are you eating for breakfast, man? Are you eating like Lucky Charms or something? Lucky Charms, Captain Crunch. What do you got over there? Whataburger? What is that, bro? What's a Whataburger? Whataburger? I have no idea what that even is. This would be, honestly, all seriousness, if we double bottom right here, pop it back up and break over 65, super bullish. Dude, what? I have no fucking idea what a burger is. First of all, what state are you in, Sean? Aren't you in like Ohio or something? Oh, it's in Texas? All right, I'm going to take a freaking shot here. basically, I'm just stopping at low a day. I'm just shooting for a pop here, just like that. Just like that. Actually, I'm just switching accounts. Oh, it's an ugly ass candle. I'm just seeing if we were going to hold this. Hold 700. Actually, hold right under there. My stop is low a day. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. My stop is low a day. And we'll see what happens. Did they just fucking do that? Did they just flash that down and take me out? No way. This shit's just weak. I can't believe they stopped me out at the fucking bottom. Look at that. I got bottom ticked. Right at the bottom. Ridiculous. Yeah, I got to get to Texas. Yo, all right, so you're from Texas. Do you eat kolaches, Sean? What do you think about kolaches? My friend wants me to open up a kolache restaurant in Florida. What do you think about kolaches? I know they're big in Texas, but are they good? They're amazing. Oh, shit. I laughed at him. I laughed at him pretty hard about it. They're amazing. Oh, jeez. Yeah, he wants me to do a freaking kolache restaurant. I was like, bro, are you out of your fucking mind? First of all, I eat healthy. So I saw what a kolache was, and I was like, I don't know about that. But he says they're amazing. Come on. Push it. Push it. Dude, it's right there. They're not going to push this. This is going to fucking dump. Am I in on anything else? This is gonna roll the under 709. It's gonna roll. Just fucking push it down at this point. Come on. Come on. Come on. We were right there to do business. Right there. Oh, I just missed that by 2 points. Ah, that sucks. I'm going to grab food after that. I missed that by 2 points. Man, this thing has so much work to do to be bullish to me. This thing, I don't even know if I would get. I don't even know if I'd get long. I mean, honestly, I think we're going to finally break 700. When we finally break 700, I think it's going to dump. I'm holding this. I should have shorted it right here, right at the hourly orb, and said, hey, listen, if it goes over the hourly orb, I'll get out and get out at like 772. That was my fucking mistake not to do it. I was even talking about that was going to be the big resistance. And but I'm going to make some food. I'm going to be back at 2 o'clock. We're going to do some turkey races and we'll have some fun. All right. I'm just holding this thing, so we'll see what happens. Peace.